Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to submit feedback or suggestions to Lendingclub. Lendingclub values customers' input because it helps them to refine services and introduce features that better meet user needs. If you've noticed an issue, thought of an improvement, or you just simply want to share your experience, there are multiple ways to submit feedback. First, log into your Lendingclub account through the website or the mobile app. In the menu, navigate to Help and Support. Now within the Help Center, you often find a Give Feedback or Contact Us option at the bottom of the articles or support pages. Clicking this will open a short form where you can describe your suggestions or concerns. Alternatively, if you're in the mobile app, scroll down to the Settings or Profile section. There's typically a feedback option available, allowing you to write a brief message and send it directly to the Lendingclub's team. Your feedback doesn't disappear into the void. Lendingclub reviews submissions regularly and often uses them to improve features like budgeting tools, loan services, or mobile app performance. Providing constructive, clear detail increases the chances of your suggestions being acted upon. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.